going to show you how to make slime. So I'm going to show you the first one I had did. I was like, let me make a video about it. So I made slime. Wow. So yes, I made this slime. I made the slime. It was really easy. So, guys, if you don't want your thing to smell like peppermint, so you want to use this. So you want to use this kind of toothpaste. So, yes, it will make your breath. It will make your slime smell good, peppermint, and really, really good. Okay? And then after that, I'm going to show you a second video. Okay? Only soap. Just that's it, only soap. If y'all want to add glue to make it like really like that, you can use that. So let's get started. You feel okay? Hopefully this one don't waste. Okay, so first I just used the toothpaste. So first you want some toothpaste. I use a little bit because I don't want to use a lot. And after that, you want to use some glue. This time I'm going to pour the glue in something like put it in here. Yeah, I'll put it in here. Okay, and that's it. And the toothpaste will make it like thicker because toothpaste is thick. So yeah, toothpaste make it real thick. So after that, you want to mix it out with anything that you got. And if you want to make it like thicker, add more toothpaste. If you got a lot of glue. Because I had a lot of glue. Okay, now let's get there. So I'm gonna just mix it. to get like real sticky and stuff like that. So make it real sticky, really sticky. I will add like a lot of toothpaste and make it really thick. I will. So I like mine real thick because it don't like really stick on your hands or nothing. So yeah. Add more glue. Some more glue here. So let's just use that a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so after that, you want to add your color. So I'll squeeze like that. Which one is coming out? Now I blow to it if it don't come out. Ooh, that was too much, so I just tap it. Please make a pretty color. Please make a pretty color. Ooh, pretty colors. It's like this white cloud bluish. It is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. I forgot I had my rag. Toothpaste in me. Okay, so let me clean this stuff off so I don't have to clean it up when I get finished with this video. And if you like it, comment below. And if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. I'm trying to get it to 400. So it's gonna be a grand surprise. Can't tell y'all yet. So yeah. So let me show you the glue, the slime. So that's how the slime is. Y'all seeing it? Like right there. So that's how the slime look. So yeah. So thank you for watching my video. So bye. And 2-step. So yeah, bye. So make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Okay, so next time I'm gonna be doing the next like a little cooking show. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So bye.